On the second day of build week, the Moyu Store gave to me. I really gotta work on that. My harmony's pretty good though. Oh, hey everyone, and welcome to Groove Builders, the show where we create together. I'm your host, Disorderly Cone, and welcome to Groove Builders Christmas Build Week, sponsored by the Moyu Store. And if you haven't checked these guys out yet, you definitely should. These guys got some pretty neat models on there, especially unique DIY kits with really cool puzzles at great prices and fast shipping to the United States and Canada. If you use code GROOVE, not only will you be helping out the channel, but you'll also get yourself a really awesome discount. I think that's pretty cool. Now, the Moyu Store sent us a really neat package. This right here, a surprise box with a unique build in it every single day. We've already checked out Monday, and now we're going on to Tuesday. Groovers, what's it going to be? That's a great question. Let's get down to the workbench and take a look at it. And there we have it, our Tuesday build all complete. Unfortunately, I'm not entirely too sure what this bug is. I want to say it's a cricket of some kind, but it can't be. It has to be something else, especially with this little Sharpie tail. Either way, it does look really neat, and it was also a little trickier than our fly we did yesterday. What were some of the difficult parts? Well, the tail for one was kind of hard. You had to get this bolt in a very interesting place in the center. But once I was able to open this up a little bit and place that bolt in, everything else came together pretty well. Except of course, those little legs. Those legs seem to be the tricky part for me. Crimping them just right is the trick to getting them to stay. And it looks like this one here needs a little bit more work. And with that, Groovers, we're at the end of our show. I had a really good time building our insect with you, and if you guys had a good time, don't forget to press that like button. For more videos like this, hit subscribe as well, so we got all kinds of really cool builds coming out in the future. Want to help the channel grow? Check out groovebuilders.ca. We have all kinds of really neat builds on there at great prices with fast shipping to the United States and Canada. Want to build these little cool bugs too? Check out the Moyu Store. They have all kinds of really cool hardware builds just like this at great prices with fast shipping as well. And if you use code GROOVE at checkout, not only will you be helping the channel out, but you'll also be getting a discount too, which I think is pretty cool. Until next time, Groovers, keep building. Now you can join your friend the fly.